What is up guys, Karma Medic here and welcome back to another dose. In today's video, I'm going to be joined by three of my very close high school friends, Yason, Steffi and Yanni, who are all now doctors living and working in London. I've written down a whole bunch of questions from biology, chemistry and physics, and we're going to see just how much high school sciences these doctors can remember. Let's get right into it. Everybody has a different sound on their buzzers that will know who hit it first. Yason, what's your buzzer? Okay. Steffi? Perfect. And Yanni? First one's a biology question. Okay. I will admit this is probably the hardest question that I wrote. I was hoping this one wouldn't come first.
A good start.
The functional unit of a muscle is called what? Yason?
Sarcomere?
Yeah, sarcomere.
Let's go!
There you go, that's 1 point for you. Ooh, physics. Name a noble gas.
Xenon.
Nice.
What?
It was the last column in the periodic table.
Yeah, I do remember it was in the last one. I just remember.
There were like 5 easier ones now. I don't remember that
Yeah,
one.
argon? No, this is physics. The other one was chemistry.
Yeah, I swear that was a chemistry question. I didn't want to say it.
Oh, I feel like such an idiot. Okay, the first physics question. A magnifying glass uses what type of lens?
Concave. Convex.
Physics 1 again. The phrase, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, is one of Newton's...
Second laws of thermodynamics.
That's not the
Second
question,
is the
but
first.
also incorrect. The phrase, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, is one of Newton's 3 laws of...
Motion.
Motion. That is correct.
Motion.
Thermodynamics. Close. Okay, biology. The first mammal to ever be cloned was a...
Sheep.
Nice.
She got a high five.
Biology. Osmosis is the movement of water from a... Yours didn't even make a
You
noise.
guys were quick on that.
Go on, Steffi.
Osmosis is the movement of water from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration across a semi-permeable membrane.
Ooh!
Nice.
She remembered the second
Not
part
bad.
as well. Very nice, Steffi. Biology. Which of the following is the strongest muscle in the human body by weight? Okay. Oh wow, okay. I had 4 options to give you.
Oh, okay.
Okay, go for it.
The tongue.
I was gonna say that.
No.
Ooh, that's what I was gonna say.
Pectoralis major, biceps brachii, masseter, latissimus dorsi.
Massive.
Masseter.
I need my 5 options, right?
Gregor Mendel is known as the founder of modern genetics. What type of plants did he use to establish the rules of chromosomal heredity?
Peas.
Peas, that's correct.
Go.
Biology. A group of cells working together to perform a specific function are known as a... Yeah, something.
Tissue.
Tissue, that is correct. What are the 4 stages of mitosis?
Prophase,
That is the first one.
anaphase, metaphase, and telophase.
Can you put them in the correct order?
Okay, fine. You flipped metaphase and anaphase.
Yes, that's correct. What does GMO stand for?
Genetically modified organism.
Nice. You guys both knew that, didn't you? Excess barium nitrate solution is added to 200 milliliters of 0.2 moles per liter sodium sulfate. What is the mass of the solid form? In grams.
Can I get like a... Can you read the question, please?
Excess barium nitrate solution is added to 200 milliliters of 0.2 moles per liter sodium sulfate. What is the mass of the solid form in grams?
1 gram. 0.05 grams. 2 grams.
This is a complete joke question. I did not expect you guys to know how to answer
Is
this.
it 10?
It's a joke. I didn't even know that. Found in the back of the human eye, this type of cell is responsible for detecting color.
Cones.
Cone cells, yes, that's correct. What is the functional group of an alkene?
Carbon-to-carbon double bond.
Woo!
Let's go, man.
There is a bonus question.
For Yanni?
No, Frank.
What about your first pick?
You get first pick. What is the functional group of a ketone?
Is that a C double bond O CH3? No.
C double bond O OH.
Oh, it's a C double bond O, and then it joins to something else, like another organic.
I hope I haven't remembered this wrong, but I thought it was C double bond O.
Oh, you're probably right, actually. Yeah.
Okay, wait. Let's do a quick summary of points here. Okay, wow,
He's got
2, 4, 6.
I've got 4.
Yeah, with 4, Steffi with 3. Okay, you guys are actually very close. In a chemical reaction, what is the function of a catalyst? A catalyst lowers the...
Yeah, the thing.
Is that exactly what you're thinking of as well?
Is it something?
I'll pass
When
it
you
on.
say it, we're gonna say.
You're all gonna be like, oh.
Yeah.
Alright, it's to lower the activation energy of the reaction.
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
I wouldn't have remembered that.
Alright, fill in the blank. Oxidation is the blank of electrons.
Here you go.
Yeah, it's
Lost.
Yes, that's correct. The first ever antibiotic discovered was by Alexander Fleming. What was the name of this antibiotic? I don't know who
Penicillin.
did that. Who did it first? You
Yeah.
did it first? Yeah, you got it. Penicillin. What is the atomic number of the element sodium? You have nothing to lose. Guess.
11.
11.
Jeez.
Nice one. Nice one. Very nice one. Which of the following nitrogenous bases is not present in RNA? Cytosine, uracil, thymine. You guys need to play rock, paper, scissors for that one. Or
Me? Yeah,
I'll give it to him. Okay.
I think it's thymine.
It's
Yeah, it's
thymine, yeah.
And then it's uracil. Yeah.
Nice. What is another name for programmed cell death? Who did that? Alright, you guys can all say on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1.
Apoptosis.
Okay. Alright, you guys can all get a point. Which of the following is a water-soluble vitamin? Vitamin D, A, K. Yanni hit it first.
I didn't even like the
But we've not even had it yet.
I know.
Again.
Yeah.
Which of the following is a water-soluble vitamin? D, A, K, C.
See.
C. Molecules are furthest apart in which state of matter? Solid,
Plasma. Gas. I don't know.
one of you two?
Gas.
Yes. Complete the sentence. An endothermic reaction is one which...
Energy is absorbed through the process of the reaction, resulting in a lower energy state at the end compared to the beginning.
I accept that it's a reaction that absorbs heat. What does DNA stand for?
Deoxyribonucleic acid.
Right after an egg is fertilized by sperm, the resulting cell is known as a...
Zygote.
What does a eukaryotic cell have that a prokaryotic cell does not?
A nucleus.
The planet Earth can be found in which galaxy?
The Milky Way.
The bone known as the trapezium is found in which part of the body?
Hand.
More
Carpal
specifically?
Wrist.
Yeah, the carpal bones of the wrist.
Wait, why did you take
We
it
have
from
like
one?
half
We
of
didn't
it.
even arbitrate.
In the plant, where does photosynthesis take place? Who smashed that? I missed it. Yanni.
In chlorophyll.
Mitochondria.
I'll rephrase. When the plant does photosynthesis take place, in this organelle, you can find chlorophyll.
In the leaves.
I thought this was an easy question.
Give us like a letter starts with
Starts with chloro.
chloroplast.
That's right. What is the second element of the periodic table?
Lithium?
Neon.
No. What did you say? Neon. No. Neon is wrong.
Potassium.
No. Also begins with an H.
Helium, dust too.
It was time to get a second chance. That's fair enough. A cell's plasma membrane is composed of a phospholipid bilayer. The middle of this layer can be described as...
What are you looking for?
Hydrophilic.
Hydrophobic.
What is the chemical formula for hydrochloric acid?
HCl.
That's correct.
Is it the last one?
It's the last one. Yason, your chance to tie. Yanni, your chance to secure the win.
You're supposed to spend the music in this, yeah?
Hold me down.
Don't let him press the button.
Which digestive enzyme is responsible for breaking down protein in the stomach?
Proteins. Lactate.
Pepsin.
Pepsin.
Oh, nice!
So, in an interesting turn of events that I had not planned for at all, both Yason and Yanni are at a tie with 13 points.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Steffi's sitting out for this one, and we're going to do a quick sudden death round. I'm going to ask them 3 questions, and whoever scores the most points out of those 3 will win the entire competition. Okay? First question. A cell from the heart would probably have an unusually high number of what?
Calcium ions.
Not the answer I was looking for.
He meant mitochondria.
What is the energy currency for most organisms?
That was B. It is ATP.
ATP,
ice!
correct.
Give me the ice!
Well done, man.
So the competition is over, and Yanni has been crowned the winner. So congratulations, well done. Thank you guys so much for coming. Maybe you learned something new we didn't know before. Last thing before we go, I got you guys all something small just to say thank you for coming and participating in this quiz. Here they
Oh
are.
my goodness.
That's so sweet.
They are in this order
So
of delivery, if I remember correctly.
What do you have?
American.
Oh,
Nice.
Oh, Nasser, thank you so much.
You guys are most
Thank
welcome.
you.
Thank you guys for participating and coming today. I guess that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy the video, please do leave a like on it and also subscribe to my channel to see more content from me in the future. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
Bye. Smash that like button.
Okay, ready? Everyone ready?
Yes.
sorry. I just need to hear it so I know when to start. Cause yeah, should we get started? So it's like radio waves.
It's like you have to do it all
microwaves,
together.
infrared radiation,
Visible light.
What is
No,
this?
I can't. You also said 6 H2s.
H2Os.
You did
Second
say
page,
H2.
you said
You
H2.
didn't play it back.
You said
What?
H2.
I said H2O.
You said H2.
No.
No. Play
You're
back.
right,
Play
it's
back.
How many H's? Well, 6 H2s.
Okay. This is a bust. In the process known as electrolysis, the cathode attracts ions of what charge? Oof. Can we get a replay on that?
I don't even think I hit my buzzer.